Hi, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. I don't know who is watching this video. It may be the parents or the child. Okay, this particular video is for grade 6, and we are going to take on a lesson which is LCM. Okay, so I'm going to solve some word problem. The word problem question says to me is 3 bells ring simultaneously at 11 a.m. They ring at a regular interval of 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, respectively. The time when all the 3 bells together rings together next time. Read every time whenever you're having a question, read the question 2 times. Then and then only you will understand what is the question and what is someone asking you. Else, you would have practiced so many times that if a question comes, you will know what is the question. 3 bell rings simultaneously at 11 a.m. Okay, so let's see what it is saying. Okay, what are this? There are 3 bells. Okay, and let's say that this is bell number A, this is bell number B, and this is bell number C. Okay, and these bell, let's say that, and they are going to, the first time that they're going to ring is at 11 a.m. Let me change the color. I think red doesn't go well. It's 11 a.m. and the first bell, that is A bell, is going to ring after 20 minutes. The second bell, the B bell, is going to ring after 30 minutes. Okay, after 30 minutes. The C bell is going to ring. The second ring will happen only after 40 minutes. Now what will happen? The first bell will ring when? It will ring at 11:20 a.m. The second bell will ring when? At 11:30 a.m. The third bell will ring at when? 11:40 a.m. Similarly, you can add on and on and on and go on adding 20, 20, 20 to this. Go on adding 30, 30, 30 to this. Go on adding 40, 40, 40 to this. Now, what are they asking you? They're asking you that when will all these 3 bells ring together? This is the question. So once you understand the question, then let's solve the question. Whenever I'm trying to find something, there is one thing which I've just highlighted, that whenever I'm trying to find something, we have to find a number larger than the given number, then we will find LCM. This is a rule. Now, whatever I'm going to find, it is going to be bigger than 20, 30, 40. And that is where I'm going to find the LCM. Okay, so let's start doing it. Solution. We need to find the LCM of 20, 30, 40. And the unit that is given is time. So it is minutes. I find the LCM. Now LCM, there are some standard rules which you need to remember. 20, 30, 40. All these places are having even number. 0 is a even number. Okay. So this will get divided by 2. Again, now look at this. This is 0 and this is 0. So this is getting divided. Whereas this number is not getting divided. It is rewritten as it is. So then again you're going to get 5, 10, 50, 5, 15, 10. Again you are dividing it by 2. Now here you're checking. The first thing is, whenever you're doing LCM, you have to check for 2, you have to check for 3, you have to check for 5. Okay, so you're checking for 3. Once the 3 is done, then you're checking for 5. Now you're getting the LCM as 2. What are you doing is 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, and 24 5s are is 120. Okay, or else what you can do is, easier way would be, if you want to just find an easy way, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Okay, and 5 3s are 15, 15 8s are 120. So LCM is 120. My video will be longer, but once you watch this, you will be not watching anything else. That is for sure. Your concepts will be very, very clear. Okay. So let's clear this and let's go further. Now, what am I getting? I'm getting LCM as 120 minutes. I'm getting the LCM as 120 minutes. Now, what do I need to convert this? I need to convert this into an hour. So 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. So what will be 120 minutes? Okay, so this will be cross multiply. 120 into 1 upon 60. 0, 0 get cancelled. 6 1 the 6, 6 2 the 12. It is 2. And what is the unit now? It is hour. Now, when was the first time the bell rang? It rang at 11 a.m. And when you add 2 hours, what will happen? It will be 11 plus 1, 12. 12 is noon. 12 plus 1 is 1 p.m. And that is your answer. Okay. Now let's solve this. Convert 120 minutes into an hour. That is 2 hours. The time when all the 3 bells ring together next is 11 a.m. plus 2 hours. And that is 1 p.m. Okay. Hope you like this video. Okay. Do share, provide me the thumbs up and put your comment on how I can improve it further. Okay. And subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.